ZR1 head cam. Wow, sounds amazing. ZR1 versus 720S. Oh, you know this is a good match. Wow, the fact that it's keeping up. Oh my, no, it got on top of him, or did he slow down? I don't know. I think he got him. Oh, versus Viper? Damn. Twin turbo STO. Wow. Look at that. STO. Those are beautiful. And that's 1,000 horsepower 720S. And that 720 is already light. 1,000 on that is crazy. I can only twin turbo Viper. Oh yeah. Damn, I love, that rear end of a Viper is so amazing. Which one would y'all get? I'm taking the 720. Even though I love a Viper, I do want that, but I don't know, I might need that Viper. Yeah, I'm gonna need that, yeah.
Just tell me a little bit.
I don't know.
We did stage 2 on it. It's a CFI kit. We did the Pro Max clutch with basket on it.
For sure.
E85 Motic. They're running around like 1100. We're done with the MTI. So it's a rear-wheel drive car. It's a STO. It's not converted yet. So it's done by the shop. We did it. Europe used.
Has the IDS exhaust.
These things go up.
And downpipes. M engineering tune.
I like how simple it is.
It should make about 1,000 wheel horsepower.
Damn. Twin turbo. Wow. That shit sounds so amazing. Damn. Let's hear this Viper. I know that sounds crazy. Bam. That cam is crazy. Look at it. And it's also on the side. I love that.
So we featured you recently. Is there anything different from the last time, or is it the same setting?
Same setting. It's gonna be the same setting. I'm not gonna change it.
This is beautiful.
That way, we'll see if it's true 11 or 1,200 horsepower in that setting.
Okay, because the Lambo said you made like what?
1,100.
11?
Yeah.
Damn. 1,000 horsepower, but damn. Viper versus Lambo versus McLaren. Ooh, wow, that Lambo took, damn, that STO. That shit looks so good. Going. Is that Viper slower than same race? Damn. Yeah, that Lambo went up. Shit. That Lambo is crazy. All-wheel drive K20 engine, big turbo. Damn, look at that. Shit.
What's the setup on this one?
This is a crazy build. I love those. Those are such a... Damn, I love those. And how simple it is. Looks so stuck, but it's so
can't wait to see this thing run.
underrated.
Been a while since we had a Honda on the channel.
CTSV versus Civic. Oh my god, that exhaust is so crazy. You can just hear it crackling. Wow, that Civic slingshot is dude. Yup. Hell yeah. Damn, white dude. That Civic is crazy. Oh man, that must be such a fun build. Then the turbo kicks in. Oh my god. Damn. He probably low-key messed up on the shit. That Civic is crazy. That nigga just pushing that CTSV. Those Houston freeway are damn near racetracks. 01 versus 1,000 horsepower GT500. Oh shit. God, ZR1 is so light. The power to weight is ridiculous. But that GT500 sounds amazing. Damn, he got him. CR1, Chevy. Viper. That Viper is so clean. Wow, look at that. Is that an ACR?
Just tell me a little bit about the car and what you
I don't think so. Or just GTS. Cowboy, yep.
High settings is like 1500, and then right now I have it on map 5, which is like around 11ish, 12ish.
Damn,
So we're just testing
1500.
with the wing and the new suspension setup on it.
Oh yeah, that's a GTS. Wow. And the turbo, oh my god, that thing's crazy. That's why you like the cowboy. Those builds are amazing. Okay. Twin turbo Viper versus twin turbo Mustang. Oh shit. Viper might lose. I don't know. See? Ooh. Wow. Oh my god. Damn, that Viper. Oh shit. Sparks? What was that? Sparking up. I'm telling y'all, they do it crazy out there in Houston. They go wild. This is wild. CR1, 800 horsepower. CR1 is just common out there. It's like, damn. Everybody got one. 800 horsepower CR1 versus, oh yeah, you know CR1 is gonna get this Hellcat. Oh, Hellcat sounds amazing though. Wow. It took a little while though. That Hellcat was moving. Damn. Oh wow. Nah, that Hellcat was moving. I can't lie. Damn. That shit was cool. Twin turbo Mustang versus big turbo Civic. Shit, let's see. Damn, that's Civic. Oh shit. And it sounds so good. I just love that engine. Oh, that car was in the way. Oh shit. Those engines is just I don't know, like it's just got a unique noise that you can't get tired of. Especially with the turbo. Oh. Damn. Cam everywhere. Oh, I remember this one. I think I watched this one. The big turbo, 1,000 horsepower Supra. Look at that Hellcat, that with that wrap, that's hard. Can't lie. That lavender.
Can you give me a rundown on what you got done to the Supra?
Turbo 6 or 80 out of a
900, of course.
Mustang.
This didn't seem that fast, but we'll see.
Tonight, probably 25, 30 PSI.
You know how much power?
I guess that probably between 8 and 900.
Alright, let's see. This is a 900 horsepower Supra. Damn! Oh my god, that's the R1. I mean, I don't know. Is that 900 TL? Shit, that's the R1. Let's see what happens. I love that noise of that CR1. Oh, that's so loud. Wow. It's so loud. Camera car twin turbo F-150. Oh yeah, I remember this one too. This shit was lit. That F-150 though. Do y'all remember how beautiful this is? This has one of the best sounding engines to me. Watch, listen. Wow, it's turbos kick instantly in this. Look at how, like, this is crazy. Here we go. Damn, look at that. Like, that shit effortlessly. And it's heavy. Wow. shit. That's when turbo kicks in that truck. I'm telling you. This the best race. Listen. Oh no, he got him again. Remember? 3 times in a row. That thing is crazy. And it sounds so good. 3 times in a row.
Hey, that car is quick.
Twin turbo oh no. Well, I don't really like motorcycles racing. Wow. I mean, y'all can see right there. These dudes in Houston, they go crazy.